Welcome to the Smart Fit. Dream it, learn it, do it. All right. Hi, we're Brian and Alazne, and this is our kitchen. We love cooking and flexing our recipes for friends and family, and we want to share our recipes with you, well, because we're not going to open up a restaurant.
Yet.
Yeah, yet. Now there you go, have fun, okay? Smile and don't forget the microphone is here, okay? So that's why I'm standing close.
Hola, ¿me oís bien?
Hello? Hello? Excuse me?
Oh.
All right, so from salads to wings and even to parties, blue cheese finds its way onto many tables. We're gonna share with you a blue cheese recipe that we have, that we use in salads. We use it for dips in at parties with our celery or carrots. We use it for chicken wings when we have them.
Bueno, tenés Bueno, tenés la receta.
Bueno, why do you start with bueno?
¡Cállate!
Alright, I'm sorry. Yeah, go.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Now for today's ingredients, we're gonna start with the star, which is blue cheese, but not just any blue cheese, it's Viking blue cheese or Danish blue cheese. You're also gonna need your favorite mayonnaise. I like Hellmann's. We're gonna use a little bit of salt, some granulated garlic, of course, Dijon mustard, freshly ground black pepper, white wine vinegar, and finally, Worcestershire sauce. Oh, that was hard. First thing we need to do is break down our brick of blue cheese to 4 ounces or 100 grams, and carefully, who cares carefully, just put that into the mixing bowl and measure out 1 1/4 cups or 280 grams of mayonnaise. I use a spoon, but trust me, it measures out. You're gonna use 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, add half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, followed by half a teaspoon of granulated garlic, another half a teaspoon of salt, freshly ground black pepper, again, always fresh, because it just tastes better. And then finally, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. It's just got a milder flavor. The next step is going to take a fork and mash it all together or mix it up together. I like using a fork because it just allows me to have a little more control as to the consistency, whether I want more larger pieces of blue cheese or if I want it a little smoother. And that's it. When you finish, sprinkle it with some fresh chives, take 50 photographs, and just post one. Now we're ready to party. Go ahead and give it a taste. It is strong, but not as strong as that mustache. Look at those whiskers and how rude I am. Oh man, that was actually good. And in for seconds, nobody's gonna wanna give me a kiss. But that's okay because it still gets my approval. Let us know what you think in the comments. For more recipes, go to thesmartfit.org and follow us at thesmartfit.
Bueno, que la descripción en castellano la tenéis en la descripción. No.
La descripción.
La que no.
La que no habla castellano es and the Danish blue cheese or the Viking blue cheese is made 100% with cow. Yeah. Oh, what about a sheep? How's a sheep go? Okay, can we stop? Let's check this one out.
Wait.